In case you want to add customer reviews on your website, you can do so with the help of testimonials. In order to add testimonials on your website, click on Add section. Select Testimonial option from the given list. Select a testimonial template of your choice and click on Add the section. Click on Add new testimonial in order to add the customer feedback. Enter the customer name and their feedback. If you want to add a photo, you can do so by clicking on the camera icon. You can either click on My Images, Image Library, or you can upload an image from your computer. Let's click on My Images. Select any image. If you want to edit the image, click on the edit icon. Click on Crop Image. Let me just resize this image. And click on Save. Click on Save to save the testimonials below. Click on Edit. If you want to edit the existing testimonial, click on Edit Testimonials. Edit the content of your choice and click on Save. Similarly, if you want to add another testimonial, click on Add Testimonials option. Enter another customer's name. And click on Save. Similarly, you can even add styling options. To do so, click on Change Styling. You can sort the testimonials by clicking on Sort Testimonials option. Just drag the icons as shown and click on Save. Similarly, again click on Change Styling. You can copy and paste styling on various sections on your website. You can change the border width with this option. You can apply border width as you like. Similarly, you can add border color. Click on Apply. Similarly, you can alter the image radius. If I make this 0, it becomes square border. If I make it as 100, it's a perfect circle. Now to make the testimonial section more interactive, let me add a background image. To do that, click on Background. Click on Add Background Image. You can either upload an image from a computer or from the image library. Let me choose this image. Click on Save. Hence, with the help of Testimonials option, you can showcase various customer feedbacks which can help you to attract new customers to your store. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, you can comment below or contact our customer support team. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further updates.